Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So while I remove my polish, today's video I will be making a suggested design by one of my subscribers. Shoutout to Patricia Bandola for suggesting that I make French tip almond nails with the color of fall. So gagawin ko siya using polygel on my left hand, and we'll start by prepping our nails with a cuticle pusher. Gently do the step for all of the nails, and then after nun, gagamitin natin yung other side para scrape off any dead skin in that area. And then as usual, gagamit naman tayo ng nail drill with a thin nail bit para malinis ng mabuti yung cuticles. After that, ipa-file natin yung nails to remove the shine and para may pagdidikitan na maayos yung polygel. For this set, gagamit ako ng nail tips, so let's select our sizes. Make sure na yung nail tips na pipiliin mo ay makakover yung side walls ng nails. And if walang saktong nail tip and you're not sure if you're gonna choose a smaller or a bigger nail tip, it's better to go on the bigger size kasi pwede pa natin siya i-file into our nail size compared kasi sa smaller, then may gap na yung magagawa nating extension sa ating nail bed. Now that we've picked our sizes, igugulo na natin siya. Since gagawa tayo ng almond shape, I won't make it that long, kaya iti-trim down natin yung tip up to that area. Gagamitin din natin yung nail clipper para i-cut yung sides para mabawasan yung kailangan nating i-file with the hand file. Just make sure to give enough allowance kasi baka masobrahan yung pag-cut natin, then di na siya sasakto sa almond shape. After shaping the tips, maglalagay muna ako ng nail dehydrator and primer. I-ready natin yung mga gagamitin for today's nail set. Since fall colors yung gagamitin natin, pumili ako ng polygel na nasa fall color palette. Usually yung colors na yun ay nude, orange, nude pink, or dark pink. Para naman sa nail bed color, gagamit ako ng nude polygel, pero hinaluan ko pa siya ng powder para maging opaque yung pagiging brown niya. I nearly forgot, but before kayo mag-apply ng polygel, don't forget to file the tips as well and then apply a layer of base coat. So ito na yung nails after malagyan lahat ng polygel. For my accent nail, di ko siya ginawang French tip kasi lalagyan ko siya mamaya ng sticker. And now mag-rub na tayo ng alcohol on the nails before filing para maalis yung sticky layer. Using a straight hand file, fina-file ko yung sides ng ating V French tip para maging crisp siya once na ilalagay na natin yung sa tip. So yung gagawin ko sa tip is mag-mix ako ng polygel with gel polish para makagawa ng color na pasok sa fall color palette. And gagawa ko ng siguro 3 para iba-iba siya for each nail. So ito yung na-mix ko, ilagay na natin siya sa tips. Unfortunately though, it's a fail kasi it did not fully cure. So when I was filing the tips, soft pa siya. And I think it's because of the mixing. While filing din, nasira yung sa bandang gilid ng tips sa pinky and pointer finger. Kaya gagawin natin yan ng patchwork later. So yun yung one thing to look out for when you're trying to mix different products together. Nangyari na to sa akin when I tried mixing polygel and eyeshadow powder. So it's better to check first. Try curing it under the lamp before putting it on your nails para di rin masayang yung effort sa paglagay sa nails. So plan B is to apply gel polish sa tips and then cover it with clear polygel. The gel polish I'm using is also mixed pero don't worry, tinry ko na siya i-cure beforehand and nag-work naman siya. Kaya ayun na lang yung gagawin natin sa mga nails. And once that's done, again mag-rub tayo ng alcohol before we can proceed sa filing and shaping. So after filing and shaping, for the accent nail, maglalagay tayo ng water transfer sticker. I chose this design dahil fall-inspired ang nail set ngayon. Ilalagay ko muna siya sa tubig para makuha natin yung design and before placing it, mag-a-apply muna ako ng gel base coat para may kakapitin siya. After curing, ito na siya. Di siya masyado kita since white yung sticker kaya naisipan kong patungan ng black design. Now let's apply the top coat. And then apply cuticle oil. So here's what it looks like. Honestly, almond nails is one of my favorite nail shapes. I remember making an Ariana Grande white almond nails and I love it so much. This is gonna be my go-to nail shape for short nails because I think it's so cute. I also love the design kahit nagkaroon ng slight error in making it, but it's normal to commit mistakes. I've done it like most of the time, FYI. What's important is you solve it. So once again, thank you for the one who suggested this nail design. I love it. I hope you do too and expect more of these nail shapes in the future. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. Also follow me on Instagram at the Happy Fingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.